okay, I'm perfect weight. Let it sit in your stomach and rot as you see.
What made me a monster took a lot of time.
I wouldn't be controlled, couldn't be confined. All my individuality unidentified was stolen when they told me I'm better worth the fight.